Hi guys. I'm a freezing mess today. It's been a minute since I've been here with you guys. But I'm here. When you jump on, say, what's up? I think it's going to take a minute for my comments to come up. So we're going to make our little beer. I think I'm going to make the honeycomb with you guys real quick. These are cute. We're going to add a bow to it. But I haven't made that in a few weeks, so I hope I remember what I did. And it's super easy. Just some balls of clay. I'm not getting comments, guys. There we go. Boop, 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 boop. Hi, Peggy. Hi, Joyce. Hi, Raina. It's so early. I feel like it should be later. Hi, Cheryl. I'm still cold, guys. I don't know why I didn't bring a sweater on, but I'm like, let me just go. Hi, Mary. Hi, Billy Joe. I should have made coffee or hot chocolate or something because I'm freezing. So I'm gonna do that just in case some of you missed it. It's not really a big deal, but I'll do the honeycomb macaron because a little bear won't take very long. Hi, Denise. How are you guys? Happy Wednesday. This is what we just made in our group. It was it was a process. Vanessa got commitment issues. This is what we did. She had balls flying everywhere. Cheryl, that's what I planned on doing. I ran upstairs, I went to the bathroom, and I started talking to my daughter because she's leaving. And then I came down here and I was like, crud, I forgot a sweater, but I didn't want to go back upstairs. Hi, Terry. Hi, Misty. I didn't want to get too comfy. I have to eat, so I thought I'll just come do my live, because if I eat and chill a minute, getting me back down here is gonna be a thing. So I'm gonna move this over. Yes, we're gonna do the bear. I was just gonna do the bear, and of course the beehive, but I'm gonna do the honeycomb too. We're gonna do the bear. I promise. I promise. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but let me go drop this off somewhere. Let me knock on my rolling pins. I'm okay. I have my rolling pins are longer than the cart that they're in, so I'll just bang them. Hi, Giselle. I'll be fine. Well, I don't know if I'm okay, but I didn't injure myself. Hi, Carrie. All right, so let's do the honeycomb real quick. That's easy. I put all of the links for everything. The cutters, the honey sticks, the bees, the pattern for the honeycomb. I put them all in with the video that I did putting that together. So that honeycomb mat, you get 2 of these because this is like for actual honey. It's beekeeper supplies. So you get 2 of them if you order that. Now I gotta see what is what in the surprise bucket. Awesome, Terry. I don't want to do this. This bright yellow. I do have some of this toned down. Let me get me some white. This clay doesn't smell good. Something always happens, Cheryl. I got up last night and I stood up weird and I was like, just telling Jim, I hurt both my biceps. My right hip is feeling weird. And I said I have one good limb left. And then last night, I stood up weird. I go, oh, there goes my good leg. We were cracking up. I don't know what I do. I'm always doing something. I live. This bright yellow is like neon yellow. So I just want to tone it down a little bit. What are you guys up to? Everybody getting ready for Easter? I can't believe it's already this weekend. I got it easy this year. I'm not cooking all the things I normally do. All right, so I think I have this set wrong because these are like the same. I'm going to use the big one. I posted a link for those too. Let me move my stuff. No, I would have been crying. Nope. Not yet, Cheryl. Not yet. That was an interesting tutorial, huh? Hi, babe. How are you? Nice to see you. You don't want to make dinner tonight or for Easter? I don't have to make dinner tonight because nobody's going to be here. But I made a bunch of taco meat yesterday. I had made myself and babe taco salad. Gigi had tostada. And I brought, well, Jim brought Alexis. She just wanted meat and Doritos. So babe brought that to her at work last night. Misty there from Amazon. The video I did where I made what I'm making now, and then I attached this. We're going to make the bear too. I put all the links for everything in that video. But of course you can just go search Amazon. Easter, yeah. My daughter always works. And she always puts in this, like, huge request. Look, you're not going to be here. Hi, baby girl. Gianna, I feel like I haven't talked to you before. The mat is from Amazon also. I put that in there, the link for that as well. It's in the comments of that video. There's a bunch of them. Some are $40, some are $30. Hi, Cecilia. I paid $40 when I bought it. Girl, you need to quit that job. It's cutting into our fun. I haven't really been anywhere, like on Facebook. I've been here, minding my own beeswax. See if we can get 2 out of here. If not, I'll have another piece. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like the real deal. Missy, I also put another option for a bigger pattern. I put the link in that video also for the bigger pattern. Words are hard. Thank you, Cecilia. Thank you for sprinkling. Okay, we got 2s. Feels weird being live on my page so early. Okay. I thought I just closed my hair in there. Everyone's hair in their play. I want to do an Easter egg hunt for my kids. On Facebook, Missy. It was only a couple days ago, and I haven't been posting a whole bunch, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. I could reshare it when I'm off here. I've missed you guys too. Hi, Janie. I've just been taking time to do stuff that I don't get to do, that I want to do, you know? Life's too short, man. We got to get it in. Hi, Lori. So, I've just been getting it all in. So... I don't know why I took this away. I need it. I got it upside down. We don't make enough time. It's like when we have extra time, we're doing stuff we have to do. And you guys know me, I'm a workhorse, and I usually don't even take the time to do the stuff I have to do. And I definitely don't take the time to do stuff I want to do. So that's what I've been doing. I've been taking it all. I had time with my daughter on Sunday. That was great. All right, I'm just going to stack these. I'm going to show you guys another idea of what you could do with your little bear. I almost did that. And I'm like, no, I want a fake bake involved. We got to get our fake bake in. Okay, so I always do my centers a lot thicker. Just want to make sure those corners are connected. Now, I would not take a fresh beehive with the bear, like your clay's wet, and attach this. In the video, I attached it because this was dry. Don't take fresh and put on fresh. It's not going to dry knots. Joyce, there's just links in the comments of the video. It's not a list of supplies. I will move that video up when I get off of here for you guys. Can't find it. It was only a few days ago. Okay, so when this dries, I will put the bear that we're going to make on here now. But they have these at the Dollar Tree, and he would look really cute if you want more of that rustic look. He would look really cute. He fit perfect on this one. And then you could put your little honey dipper on there. So cute. Of course, I was going to fake bake it, so I fake baked it. All right, so let me see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4. So what I did for the hive, it was just balls. It was just balls of clay. I know, aren't they cute for that? Are they thinner than I usually make? What's that, Shelby? The macaron? This? No. I mean, the honeycomb part is, yeah. Because it's just clay. Usually when I do like the big macarons, I'm covering a piece of styrofoam. Okay, so I'm going to roll out 4 balls. So this color is what I usually use for my gingerbread. So it's the brown. That's black. Hang on. Bags of clay everywhere. It's the chocolate. That's what they call it on Amazon. It's chocolate mixed with white. Hi, Chris. Yeah, Shelby, it's all clay. So there's no foam there. So yeah, it would be much thinner than like the ones that you see me make with the styrofoam. So I'm going to do 4 different size balls. I'm going to get them started first. Hi, Angie. Thanks for joining me, guys, with not much notice. I'm going to smooth these out in a minute. I just want to do this for size. I kind of feel like these are really big. That's okay. I am. Girl, you should have seen me in the group. I was not a pro at balls. I was throwing balls all over the place. There's not going to be a huge difference in the top 2. All right. Because I need something there for our little gingy bear. Stephanie. Did you hear what I just said to Lori? Balls all over the place in the group. All right, now I want to smooth them out. I want to actually roll them out. Hi, Colette. Hello, Marissa. All right, I want them nice and smooth. I don't want any creases in my beehive. What are you picking up here? So I let the ball roll away from me so I don't get a point or a flat spot. I lean and I smushed it down. They look like peanut butter balls rolling off my table. Okay, so it's like this. Now once I get them all attached, I might reshape them. I'm making a mess. I'm making this little guy. My little gingy bear. You guys, check out Eileen. She actually made an actual bear. It was so flipping cute. I hope I remember what I did. It's been a minute. Hi, Amy. Thank you for sprinkling. It was so cute. Where are you going? Okay, I'm going to push it down. I'm just eyeballing it, how it lines up here. This one's going to be a lot bigger. I could tell. This is the hardest part of this whole thing. Rolling the balls. Yeah, you guys, go check out Eileen over at Creative Eye Designs by Eileen. I don't know why I always forget to say that part. I'm sorry, Eileen. Okay, now I don't have to worry about gluing this because I'm going to run a skewer through all the clay. You guys, am I freezing up at all? Facebook and your new stuffs. That's okay. It's not your mom's fault I can't remember. I can't remember anything. I'm going to make this one a smidge smaller. Does that screen come up for you guys where it says slow connection? But then nothing's happening? Like, it's not freezing or anything. Thank you, Shelby. It's so weird. Thank you, Colette. Hi, Lisa. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Do you think it's bigger, Vanessa? Just a little bit. More and more. So I just want to reshape that top. Looks like a bunch of tires stacked up. Okay, now of course you could just roll. You could just roll a piece of black clay and do it, you know, like a little circle on there. I'm not going to do a circle. I'm going to use a cheater tool that's from my actual BEEHIVE cutter. Hi, Kim. Eileen, what do you think I was making? I said a beehive. Did I say that? Like, boop, 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 boop. Chris, if you leave the live and come back, it was doing that on Amber's live last night. Like, I couldn't see comments. I mean, I don't know why I cared. I wasn't, like, trying to really chat with people, which is weird. No. Not yet. All right, so I'm going to just grab a piece of black clay. That feels nasty. Yeah, that's what happened to me last night on Amber's live. I'm going to use my little beehive. I'm just going to cut this out. Just because I like the shape of it. And it's a lot faster for me to cheat than it is to actually do it. I don't want those scissors. Hi, Jackie. Welcome, guys. I'm Vanessa with Up and Growing. If you've never been to the Hot Mess Express page, that's me. Okay. What do I want my front to be? I like you. I gotta cut my nails. Eileen, you weren't in a group, were you? Yes, Renee. People love the bee stuff. Hang on. I got a little annoying friend here. You know what we do? when we have an annoying friend. We just get rid of them. Okay, I don't think I need this anymore. So I did my little gingy bear in the dark brown because I didn't want him to, you know, with that color. It would have just been too much. So I'm going to be using, it's called brown. It's the darker one. I love this color. I thought they were getting rid of it, but they brought it back. Yeah, people love it. I don't, but people do. I don't decorate with anything that I make. People think I have a house full of bakes. I don't. I have a couple things in my tree, a couple things for Christmas, and I have, of course, some patriotic stuff that I actually decorate with. Hi, Susan. Hi, Donna. That's big head. I'll just roll this up and size it. My beehive is bigger, so I'm going to do my head a little bigger. Not that big. I thought the post office was closed Friday, so when I went today, I'm like, you guys are closed Friday, right? She's like, no. I was planning my whole week and my orders around it being closed. I'm like, well, you can have the day off. Yeah, Renee, if you are making to sell, yeah, buy it. Or make it. Because they buy it. They buy it. For sure. I just want to see what. Okay. I don't know why I'm going to put this away. I still need it. Okay, so I'm going to dot his eyes. Well, first I'm going to do his mouth. And mine is not an actual bear. So I still did my gingy face. I'm going to use the brown eyes. These are from Jamie's Corner. They're like they're not the oval ones. I don't know what the shape is called. Words are hard. So I dot them down where I want them. So quiet in my house. Babe was like, Monday, he's like, are we going live? And I go, no. He was like, what are my people going to think? Marissa, I think these are small. So Babe misses his lives. But they came home from Kentucky. And I was just doing stuff. So I wasn't planning on going live. And then he made me feel bad. And I was like, well, do you want to go live? I mean, I'm the one that has to do all the work. You just have to sit there and look pretty. I really mucked up his face with the gross spackle on my hands. Like, girl, go wash your hands. Jeez. All right, I'm going to finish off his face with the regular color before I tone it down. So it's like a shade darker, or 2 shades darker than the actual beehive. Yeah, Marissa, I believe these are... Let me look at my Etsy order. when I get off of here. I don't have my computer in front of me. Is Jamie on? Jamie could tell you. Jamie could tell you. She knows what I order better than I do. I don't want to give you bad information because I order every size and I just use whatever is in front of me or whatever fits the face in front of me. I will look and then I will tell you. I do know. Okay, so I'm just rolling cheeks. This is a total Gingy face. He's just going to have ears. He's got a little piece of spackle. I will mess with that after he dries. Okay, so for the ears, I just roll the ball. I better have my tool. I just dropped my ball of clay. Hi, Jan. Thank you, Renee. I just dropped my ball of clay in my cart. Okay, so I got 2 balls, the same size. I'm going to use this little, I don't know where this came from. I'm going to indent it. And then put his little ears on. Hang on. I'm going in that center where I just did, and I'm connecting it to the top of the head. So I drag that clay down with the ball to attach to the head. And I'm just rolling it to make sure that it's nice and connected. Then on the inside, I'm going to use the same color I did for the cheeks and the nose. Oh, thank you, Donna. Yeah, I've lost 17 pounds. Don't get excited for me. That was just 17 of the pounds that I've gained during this ridiculous fake baking life of working in the basement, not eating all day, and then going upstairs late at night and eating all the nonsense I shouldn't be eating. And not exercising, so I just took my life back. I missed me. All right, so I'm rolling them up. I'm putting them in that space, and then I'm gonna get them in there really good. His ears look small. Hang on, I'll make them bigger. Yeah, I did his ears too small. What are you doing, Ness? His ears should be bigger. Hi, Lindsay. Lindsay, do you spell your name E-Y or A-Y? I feel like I spell it different every time I talk to you. Oh, awesome, Donna. I should have done that before my brother got married, but I didn't. Every time I thought about it, I would just gain weight. Let them talk about me. So, geez, Vanessa, what'd you do to yourself? I'm not done with that. I need to pull that back out. All right, I'm going to do his arms. So, see, Donna, I can't even tell myself what to do. So I was like, okay, I got to shop for a dress. I got to lose this weight I've gained. And then I just gained more weight. EY, okay. I should remember that. I'm sorry if I was spelling it different and wrong. That's how my friend Lindsay spells it, so I should be good and remember. If you guys like my shirt, I think you have like, what's today, 27th? It is Amber's t-shirt of the month, so you can get it for $15. It has a bee on it. Spring in the air. Spring is in the air. Love the color. Yeah, it was so weird because I'm like, I've had all this time to do this, and then I wait till after the wedding. I had to. I was getting sick of myself. All right. I just want to size these up. I'm going to wait to put his arms on until I have him on. All right, so I'm going to run a skewer. It's the kebab skewer. Right through this whole thing. Then I'm going to go in with my stinky glue. It's not glue, it's for cars. It stinks. And you want to have a separate gun for it. I don't know why, but mine doesn't grab the stick. So I have to push it through. Hi, Marjorie. So I'm going to like do all the work here. I thought it was because my glue sticks were small for this gun, but it's not. It's just, I don't know. They fit in there. I thought I had a bad gun. I have gotten 3 of them, sent them back. They all do the same thing. And by that, I mean, they don't work. Yes. Yep. I haven't had any problems with it. I've done the bees like this on fresh clay the last 3 years. Okay, I'll go back and add more drips in a minute. I am going to add some super glue to my skewer here where I'm going to attach my head. If you guys get glue strings on these, let them dry before you pull them off. All right, I want to get one of these bees on. I should have gotten them out. I take these little stickies off the back. Wrong size. Hang on. Yeah, Jan, I wouldn't put my regular glue in here. I only use this for this mess. All right, now let me see. Let me see if these arms are good. All right, yeah, they are. I'm gonna attach it right to the back of his head. Hang on, I'll show you in a minute. I have been fighting with glue strings all day. I was saying when I was in group, when I quit crafting, it's going to be because of glue strings. Thank you, Cheryl. Let me get this little sticker off. Get a lot of bees in this thing. I'm sticking it right to that wet, smelly honey. I'm just cutting off this dry mess. Look. I feel like I get more glue strings than anybody. I'm like, why? All right, so over the front of his arms, I'm going to add that color that's in his ears and in his face, right there, in his little paw. Hello, Nicholas. Chris, they're from Amazon. I posted the link for these too. This one was 180 pieces. I think the one that I posted was 120 pieces. But they were a lot cheaper. I mean, obviously you're getting less, but I paid more for 120 pieces using the link that I purchased from. So I posted a cheaper link. Okay, I'm going to put that right there. He's cute. But wait till you see how cute he looks on that little wood slice. This is big. Yeah, that every time I do something for the first time, it looks better. That beehive looks way better. Even like the shape of it looks better. Alright, so then I don't want to cover the, you can do it on your honey dippers, but when I did it on this one, I put the honey down, then I put my dipper down, then I put more honey, then I put my bee. So I don't want to do that because I don't want to do all this. I don't want to connect him fresh. Like, I want these to dry first before I put them on here. But, I mean, we could do it on this. He's kind of big for this wood slice, though. That one was perfect. Yeah, I mean, it would work. I just made it way too big. More and more. I would really be cramming him on here. Yeah, I guess it would work. I just don't love him. He's really big. He's really big. Hi, Tammy. It's like for, it's for car repair, for like dent repair. I'm going to move the video that I had put all the links for the cookie cutter, the honeycomb mat, the bees, the honey, the dippers. They'd be cute. These slices are from the Dollar Tree. So then you could do your, what do you think, guys? Should I just put it together? I'll just do it because I'm probably not going to do anything with him. I don't love him. I love that one. I don't love this one. All right. I'm going to super glue him. I'm going to cover that little hole. From where I Cute. All right. And then I did a little mini messy bowl. I put the bee in the center. I'm going to do that on my dipper. I was going to put it on there. We'll get the full effect here. I'm going to use my regular glue. Oh, for sure. You know, I haven't used it with you guys yet, but I have a really cool bark impression mat. You'll see me pull it out when we start working on fall stuff. But I thought that would be cute too. So, all right, let me see where I'm going to line this baby up. So again, I'm going to put my stuff down on there. Get my honey there. Get a little messy. And my little dipper. I wanted my bee the other way, but it already had fallen on my hot glue, so that's where I wound up. Eileen, do you have trouble with your gun? I should probably try a different gun. Look at my stick. I have to like I'm bending it, trying to push it through here because the trigger doesn't work. And it's not the gun. I've sent back 2, purchased 3. Jim's like, I don't know what to tell you. It's you. There's only one temperature on it. But it doesn't grab the stick, like, at all. Like, you can't trigger it. And it works. And I have a whole bunch of them from the dollar store. Or no, they were from Walmart that I bought for my color glue sticks. I never use them. I should just get what's out of there. Because I thought the sticks were the wrong size for this, but it's not. Okay, let me let that dry a second, and then I will cut the flippies, the strings. It's so weird. Things that make you go, He's cute. It's big. I wish I made it smaller. Because look at the difference. This is like Mama Hive. Look at the baby. Yeah, I want to say that's what I paid for the ones that I have that I bought for my colored glue sticks. I don't know why I did that. I never use colored glue sticks. I think I used them once. And I'm like, I'm going to get a gun for every color. He's cute, but he just seems so big looking at that one. I'm going to add a little more in the back of him. Do you hear it? It sounds like a creaky door. Honey and brown sticks. Oh, yeah. No, I had to buy this one for the honey, thinking it was going to be something special. Look at me. I'm breaking my hand trying to... I need to just stop doing it. All right, guys. So those are your options. You can make the macaron, fake bake it, or you could rustic it up. I do love the wood slice, especially having the darker color bear. No, it's not, Eileen, because when I've been using it now. This is my 3rd pack of sticks, and this is brand new. Because when I made this one a few weeks ago, I ran out, and I had to order more. So it just must be the trigger on this specific gun, because this is the only gun that I've tried using for this, and it just doesn't work. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's just not getting hot enough. Because, like, look, it doesn't even move the stick. What's happening? What's wrong with my glue gun? I don't know, guys. The weird things happen to me. Mississippi Judy. No, I didn't toot this when I was squeezing my... Listen. You hear it? You can't hear it. I could barely hear it. Yeah, so that's how I've been using it. So you see my videos of when I've used this, and I'm like pushing it. Yeah. It's wet. So, I've put it on fresh clay, and I don't recommend using hot glue on any clay, but people do it all the time. But I've never noticed anything with this stuff. So, I mean, if you prefer to let it wait, let it wait. Let it wait! Hold what up? This or my glue gun? Mississippi Judy. I got glue strings everywhere. Eileen, you have to go see what we did in group today. It was a very interesting tutorial. It was an awesome design, though. Once I committed, it was awesome. I have never had that happen, Deborah. That's why I didn't worry about it, putting it on fresh clay, because I've never seen it come off when I was fiddling and farting with it when I first got it. Thank you, guys. This is cute. It's big. It's a big baby. This is the baby. This is Mama. She looked like she ate baby. So these were like, they weren't actual wood slices. Well, they're wood slices, but they were like ornaments. And they came from the Dollar Tree. Thank you so much, Denise. Thank you so much for the stars. I don't remember like when I got them. I don't know if they were a seasonal thing or what, but you can get wood slices anywhere. But those are from Dollar Tree. We like Dollar Tree, right? It's cute. Oh, awesome, Heather. Hi, Tony. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, it's the car repair, auto repair, body repair. The one that stinks. And the one that my glue gun doesn't like. I do know, guys. But it does look like honey. Hello, Maritza. We just made this cutie pie. This big one. And then I made the macaron. So you can have an option of putting your bear and your beehive on a wood slice or the honeycomb macaron. So you guys, I'll move that video. I'll reshare that video when I put this together. like I just assembled it. I made the bottom and I just put it on there. But all the links for everything that I use are in that video. So it would be a lot faster for me to just reshare it than go get all the links, because everything's in there. The glue, the honeycomb mat, the honeycomb cutters, the bees, the dippers, it's all on there. Hi Heidi, thank you. How are doing? Huh? What's she saying right now? Everything was from Amazon. Yeah, so I'll just move that video up and then you guys just go in the comments, and then my comments with all the links will be like, they should be like right, you know, right there in the comments. But I love the pattern on this. Of course, I know a lot of people use the Hobby Lobby mat. Raina, I just went back to my old life before I started this nonsense and not taking care of myself. Thank you, Pat. Thank you so much, guys. All right, let me, I'm going to skedaddle and then I'll reshare that video for you guys. This way you'll have everything in one place and I won't forget anything. It'll all be right there. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. I hope you guys make some bears. I hope you get a better gun for your glue, because this thing is ridiculous. All right, guys, enjoy your Wednesday. I'm going to get back here before Easter, because I haven't been live. I haven't been with you guys, so I'm going to come back. I can't talk before Sunday. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day.